Hello and welcome to this review of the MiG-21 MF in 1/40th scale from Eduard. On the box side you can see all the different markings that are available. The kit number is 8231. As always, a closer look to the instructions. First the information about the plane and then the overview of the sprues. Also a color call out for Mr. Color Range from Guns. It starts with the cockpit assembly, followed by the engine. Now they tackle the wheel bay with the cockpit sides. Then the fuselage falls together with the cockpit, engine and nose. Last on this page, the vertical stabilizers. All the lumps and bumps on the wings. Then the horizontal stabilizers with the wing underpart. Now the wing tops, flaps and ailerons. Next, the landing gear. The HUD with some more cockpit parts, followed by the injection seat. The canopy gets added with the seat. Last, all the weapons, missiles, fuel tanks and bombs. All the pylons for the weapons. Here we have a possible loadout for all the weapons. Now to the markings. The first one is from Egyptian Air Force. The next one is from Czechoslovakia from 89 till 93. Here we have the Slovakian Air Force in 1999. Also one from Poland. One from the Soviet Union. And the last one from East Germany. the last page, all the stencil data decals. Now to the decals. The data stencils look blurry on the smaller ones. Can't really tell what's written on them. But therefore the carrier film looks nice and thin. To the insignia decals. The carrier film looks also blurry. I really don't know what I think about them. A nice touch to the kit is the photo edge parts, but one point I can already say about them, because I started a video build with this kit, is the fact that the numbers in the instructions don't fit to the numbers on the PE parts whatsoever at all, but more to that in the video build part, which will be online soon. I have to apologize, I forgot to show the cockpit PE, and since I have started the kit already, it wasn't possible to show them afterwards during this editing. There's also a masking set for the canopy included. Now to the sprues. Therefore, the fuselage looks awesome. Very fine molded rivets and panel lines. Such nice detail. It's hard to catch it in the camera. The pylons look nice. The vertical stabilizers look awesome. Nice detail. So far, I can't see any flash on the parts at all. Nice clear molding. The wing sections. All the flaps, ailerons and stabilizers. The downside of the wings. Upper wing sides with some fine rivets and panel lines. All the wheel bay parts. Now the weapon sprue. I think the missiles look okay. Now some small lumps and bumps. To be honest, I'm disappointed about the wheels. Here I would go definitely down the aftermarket road. The nozzles look nice. Now all the lumps and bumps for the weapons. At last the clear parts. For the first look, they seem to be very nice. I have to admit, after their testing, they seem to be a little blurry. Well, nothing bad, but not as good as clear as the canopy for Hobby Boss's Tomcat. The link for that review is on the upper right corner. I hope you liked it. If, please subscribe my channel and or share my videos to help to bring modeling to a higher level. Thanks for watching.